Hi guys, welcome back. We have another Thinkware Dashcam. This is the F100. So on the RAC Shop, this retails at £109. Quite a reasonable price. It's full HD 1080p, fail-safe recording, and also a built-in thermal sensor. Let's open up and have a look at her. Okay, so we have the Dashcam here. It's in a plastic bag. And of course, accessories under here. So the F100 does come with a fair amount of accessories. Let's take a closer look at them. So we have the Thinkware F100 quick start guide and warranty. We've got these sticky adhesive clips for when installing the dashcam into the car, keeping the cable nice and tidy. And obviously it comes with its own mount with an adjustable head, and on the underside of that is a 3M sticker. Now once that 3M sticker is worn out, you do get an additional one, so this can be replaced. You also get a 16GB micro SD card along with an adapter, an SD card adapter. The dashcam does need power, so you do get the in-car charger, as can be seen here. When you do order the F100 though, you do get a separate box for power. And last but not least, the dashcam itself. Let's take a closer look at the dashcam itself. Very, very stylish design, just like with previous Thinkware dashcams. It is like a cannon shape throughout the whole dashcam. So on the front you have the lens along with the Thinkware logo. That's pretty much it at the front, and a nice silver strip underneath. This end of the dashcam, at the top you have an input for GPS. So if you have a GPS device, you can connect that up. You have a connection for an additional camera for the rear maybe. On the other end you have the record button, and along the top you have your mount, and just to the right of that is DC in. So that's the power supply for the dashcam. And at the very bottom there you can just see a micro SD card slot. So that is the F100 in a nutshell. Very, very stylish design, small and compact, and only £109. If you want to go and take a look, there's a link in the description below for the RAC Shop. Have a look, you'll find some more information on the website. But until then, I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.